In this video, I will list my top 5 weight loss supplements, share my experiences, and reveal which one I consider the best. I'll present them in descending order, starting with the 5th place. By the end of the video, you'll find out which supplement, in my opinion, is the #1 weight loss product. If you want to check the prices of each product, the links are in the description and comments. 5th place, 24, Burn. 24. Burn is an advanced thermogenic supplement designed to help burn fat throughout the day. It boosts metabolism, increases energy levels, and improves fat oxidation, making it an excellent option for those looking to enhance weight loss. 24 Burn contains a blend of natural ingredients that speed up metabolism, increasing calorie burning even at rest. Additionally, it helps suppress appetite and improve focus and energy, making it ideal for those who feel fatigued while dieting. Key ingredients and benefits: green tea, extract and natural caffeine, boost metabolism and promote calorie burning, L-carnitine and cayenne pepper, help convert fat into energy and increase thermogenesis, B-complex vitamins and essential minerals, maintain balanced metabolism and increase endurance, best for those looking for more energy, higher fat burning, and better workout performance. 4th place, My Energeia. My Energeia is a natural weight loss and energy-boosting supplement, helping to balance energy levels, reduce stress, and stimulate metabolism without causing side effects like jitters or insomnia. It combines adaptogens and thermogenic ingredients that boost metabolism, reduce bloating, and improve digestion, while also enhancing mental focus and overall well-being. Key ingredients and benefits: green tea extract and turmeric, improve digestion and boost metabolism. Black pepper and ginger enhance nutrient absorption and thermogenesis. Adaptogens like ashwagandha and rhodiola rosea reduce stress and stabilize energy levels. Best for those looking for steady energy levels, better digestion, and stress reduction while losing weight. 3rd place, Veneplus 8. Veneplus 8 is a circulatory health supplement that helps reduce water retention, minimize bloating, and support efficient weight loss. It improves vascular health, stimulates lymphatic drainage, and optimizes nutrient distribution, helping to prevent water retention and bloating. Key ingredients and benefits: natural herbal extracts, reduce bloating and improve digestion. Essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, regulate blood circulation and support fluid balance. B-complex vitamins, improve metabolism and boost energy, best for those who suffer from water retention, bloating, or want to improve blood circulation. 2nd place, Electroslim. Electroslim is a high-performance metabolic activator that speeds up fat burning, improves mental focus, and reduces sugar cravings. It increases thermogenesis, helping the body burn more calories even at rest. It also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings. Key ingredients and benefits: natural caffeine and guarana extract, increase energy and boost metabolism. Chromium and L-theanine, regulate blood sugar levels and control sugar cravings. Powerful antioxidants, aid muscle recovery and promote overall health. Best for those looking for more energy, appetite control, and better mental focus. 1st place, Carbofire. Carbofire ranks #1 because of its dual-action formula. It burns fat while reducing carbohydrate absorption. Carbofire uses ingredients that block carbohydrates and burn fat, helping to reduce calorie intake, increase calorie burning, and maintain consistent energy levels without causing fatigue. Key ingredients and benefits: green tea, extract and cayenne pepper, speed up metabolism and increase calorie burning. Fibers and white kidney bean, extract, reduce carbohydrate absorption and enhance satiety. Essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, balance hormones and maintain energy levels. Best for those looking for a complete supplement for fat burning, appetite control, and caloric reduction. That wraps up my 5 best weight loss supplements. Which one would you choose? If you want to check the prices and learn more about each product, the links are in the description and comments. See you next time. Have a great day.